Your daughter has been distant, quiet, closed off. She's on her phone all the time, but it brings her no joy. Sound familiar? She mutters, "I hate my life." Here's where you can step in with catch it, check it, change it. First, help her catch the thought. Use gentle questions. What's going through your mind right now? How did you decide that? Often children don't notice the thought until we guide them to pause and reflect. Now, check it together. Is that always true? What facts make it feel true? What facts might make it less true? Finally, change it. Support her to reframe. Today was tough, but there were still some good parts. Not every day is bad. It's not about fake positivity. It's about teaching her to think more realistically and kindly. And when thoughts shift, feelings and actions shift too. Next time your child faces a challenging moment, try to catch it, check it, change it. Thymos, real-time support for real-life moments.